Hi, my name is Melissa Baker. I'm the CEO of Clean and Happy Teeth, a nonprofit organization dedicated to sharing information and training so that you know what to do to take care of your mouth at home and avoid cavities and other diseases of the mouth. Today I'm going to talk about the importance of taking care of your mouth to keep it healthy. I will talk about easy steps that you can take to keep your mouth and your body healthy. Did you know that your mouth might be making you sick? Our mouths are full of germs and bacteria. These bacteria cause cavities and other diseases that can lead to serious infections in other parts of our bodies. The bacteria in our mouths eat the sugar from the foods and drinks that we eat. Then they poop acid onto our teeth, which causes tooth decay and cavities to form in our teeth. Cavities are a chronic disease. 3 out of 4 people in the U.S. have untreated cavities. Cavities left untreated create pathways for infection to travel to other parts of our bodies. I want to tell you about Carla and her experience with untreated cavities. Carla was pregnant when she began to suffer from severe stomach aches and difficulty breathing. She went to the emergency room where she was admitted for pregnancy complications. Doctors, hurrying to save the baby, saw no obvious signs of disease or injury, and Carla went into preterm labor and delivered her baby girl 12 weeks early. The baby weighed just 2 pounds. It was later discovered that Carla had persistent, untreated cavities. These untreated cavities caused a bacterial infection in her mouth and caused her to go into the preterm labor. The infant was admitted to the newborn intensive care unit on life support as her lungs were not fully developed. When we don't take care of our mouths, we become more likely to have diseases like cavities and gingivitis. These problems can allow infection to enter our blood and travel throughout our bodies. These infections are called systemic infections. They are very dangerous. They can make us sick, put us in the hospital, and even kill us. They're extremely expensive to treat and can cause forced time off of work or even disability. $45 billion are lost each year for workers who are forced to take time off because of dental disease and pain. According to the American Dental Association, emergency room visits for dental care are costly and can range from $400 to $1,500, compared to just a $90 to $200 regular visit to a dentist for a checkup. The most extreme cases of untreated dental infections have cost hundreds of thousands of dollars in hospitalization and even needless death. Here's the thing. Cavities and other dental diseases are 100% preventable. Even for children, taking care of their teeth can keep them healthier throughout their lives. It's important to take good care of our mouths so that we can avoid these types of infections and problems. There are simple steps that we can take at home to help keep our mouths healthy. We can avoid the high cost of dental repair, lost wages, and sick time by practicing these steps at home. Brushing and flossing may seem obvious, but it's important to brush twice a day, once in the morning and once at night. When we brush, we need to brush for a full 2 minutes to clean every surface of every tooth. Brushing cleans off the plaque, the food, the sugar, and the acid that collect on our teeth and cause cavities. Using a fluoride toothpaste is important, as fluoride is a natural occurring mineral that helps protect the teeth and resist cavities. Flossing is important to clean the food, plaque, sugar, and acid from the tight spaces between our teeth where our toothbrush bristles can't reach. The foods and drinks that we put into our mouths affect whether we get cavities or not. Healthy foods, such as lean meats, dairy, whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, will keep our mouth and our body healthy. Sugary snacks like candy, cookies, and cakes cause cavities. Soda, energy drinks, sports drinks, even flavored water contain high amounts of sugar and acid. Sugar does not cause cavities, but the acid does. So even diet sodas that don't contain sugar still contain the acid, which destroys our teeth and causes cavities. Water is the healthiest and safest choice for your mouth. Visiting a dentist twice a year is a really important part of caring for your mouth. The dentist will check the teeth to make sure that they are cavity-free and can repair cavities to keep germs and infection from entering the bloodstream. A dental hygienist then cleans the teeth and makes sure to remove all of the plaque that collect on those teeth. Taking good care of your teeth at home will make dental visits less expensive. A routine dental checkup costs on average around $300, which covers the exam, x-rays, and a cleaning. There are community dental clinics available in most areas, which offer free or reduced dental prices for dental care. Do what's best for you and your family. Brush and floss daily, eat healthy food, and drink water to keep your mouth and your body healthy. Visit a dentist twice a year for care. Thanks for listening to Your Mouth is Making You Sick. For more information, visit cleanandhealthyteeth.org.